9ZQ6Q wood chipper. Feed hopper anti-rebound design. Thickened feed port. Side opening design feed hooper. Convenient for later maintenance. Double-sided alloy steel blade. Good wear resisting. Durable. 5mm adjustment range blade. Blades can be sharpened multiple times. Increase blades using life. 9ZQ12Q wood chipper. It has also been upgraded with wider tires for good stability. The bottom of the cabin is designed with discharge inspection port. The wood limiting device maintains a good feed angle. The angle of the discharge port can be adjusted arbitrarily. Emergency stop switch. Convenient and safe. Wherever the sun rises, there are our products.